Hey all, welcome to Food Fanatic. So today I will be showing you how to make Szechuan fried rice. For this, you will need 1 cup of soaked rice. You have to soak this rice for around half an hour. Then you need 1 bowl of beans, that is chopped beans, 1 bowl of chopped carrot, 3/4 bowl of spring onions chopped, greens as well as the onions, you need both, as you can see. And then I will be using Szechuan fried rice masala over here. Now I have taken a deep vessel over here. In this I will be adding in some oil, as you can see. And now I let the oil heat for some time. In the meantime, I will be placing a huge vessel with 1 liter of water in the other side of the gas, like this. And turn it on in a sim flame. I will be adding in again a little bit of oil to this. And I will also be adding in some salt to this. I have placed this water to heat so that I can cook the rice. As you can see, the oil has heated up, so I will be adding in some spring onions, a huge bunch of carrots, some beans, now to this you can also add in some chopped onions, regular onions if you wish to. I am adding very little since I have also used the spring onions. Now I will be giving this a nice stir, as you can see. I'll allow it to cook for some time. In the meantime, I will also be adding in a little bit of salt to this. You can add salt as per your taste. If you want, you can also, like, as the oil gets heated up, you can also add in some chopped garlic if you want. You can add in cabbage, capsicum also. We'll mix the salt well. Otherwise there will be a portion where the salt will be more and the other side won't have salt at all. So since I want the salt to be mixed properly, I'll stir it slowly and gently. I don't want to cover this and cook, as I want the vegetables to be little bit crisp. I don't want it to be like completely boiled or how we use it for I want it to be crunchier. In the meantime, let's see, the water has heated up, so I will be adding in this 1 cup of rice to this. Now as you can see, the carrots and beans have cooked. I'll cook it for another 2 minutes. In the meantime, let's check on our rice. As you can see, the rice have started to cook. I will be cooking this for some more time. That is for another 3 or 4 minutes. I will be cooking the rice only 80 to 85% because when I add the rice with the vegetables, it will again cook for some time. So I will be cooking it only for 80 to 85%. Now as you can see, I have taken a grain of the rice and I am pressing it. If it breaks like this, it means it has been cooked. So I will be taking this off the flame now. So I have taken a strainer over here and I will be straining the rice. Now let's check on our vegetables. So the vegetables have cooked well. Now to this I will be adding in the rice. Now I will be stirring this well. Now to this I will be adding in the Szechuan fried rice masala. And I'll give this a nice stir. And now I'll keep the flame in high and cook this for some time. Now to this I will be adding in some greens for garnishing. And give this a nice stir and turn off the flame. As you can see, a restaurant style Szechuan fried rice is ready. Serve this hot with any of your Manchurian or any Chinese side dish.